back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you unique boho patio decor ideas and tips for how to transform your patio into stylish and inviting boho retreat. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The term boho evokes images of carefree living, vibrant colors, and a touch of the exotic. When applied to patio design, boho translates into a welcoming outdoor space that feels both stylish and inviting. If you're looking to transform your patio into a personal sanctuary that reflects a relaxed and eclectic aesthetic, then boho decor is the perfect solution. Boho, short for bohemian, draws inspiration from a variety of cultures and artistic movements. It's a design style characterized by a mix of patterns, textures, and colors that create a sense of laid-back luxury. In the context of a patio, boho decor embraces a connection with nature, incorporating organic materials and natural elements to create a harmonious outdoor haven. There are many reasons to embrace boho aesthetics for your patio. Here are just a few. First, versatility. Boho is a highly adaptable style. Whether you have a spacious patio or a more intimate balcony, boho decor can be tailored to fit your space. Second, personalization. Boho thrives on individuality. This style allows you to express your unique personality through a curated collection of textures, colors, and patterns. Third, relaxing atmosphere. Boho decor prioritizes comfort and a sense of ease. It fosters a relaxed and inviting environment perfect for unwinding after a long day. Fourth, budget-friendly. Boho doesn't require expensive designer pieces. You can easily incorporate vintage finds, handcrafted elements, and natural materials to create a stunning and affordable patio retreat. Now that you've embraced the allure of boho, let's explore how to translate this style into your outdoor space. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, set the foundation. Start with comfortable seating. Opt for natural materials like wicker, rattan, or woven chairs with plush cushions. Consider incorporating a hammock or a hanging swing chair for an extra dose of bohemian flair. Second, layer up the textiles. Boho thrives on layering. Use colorful throw pillows, hand-woven rugs, and textured blankets to add warmth, comfort, and visual interest to your patio space. Third, embrace natural materials. Nature is a key element in boho design. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo into your furniture, planters, and decorative accents. Fourth, let there be light. When the sun sets, keep the bohemian vibes alive with warm, inviting lighting. String lights, Moroccan lanterns, and candles are all excellent choices for creating a magical ambience. Fifth, accessorize with intention. Don't be afraid to add personal touches. Boho decor thrives on unique finds. Vintage planters, macrame wall hangings, wind chimes, and colorful artwork can all add a touch of personality to your patio. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of top 10 items to put at boho patio decor ideas. 1. Wicker or rattan furniture set, the foundation of your boho oasis. 2. Plush throw pillows and blankets, layer textures and colors for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 3. Hand-woven rug, adds warmth underfoot and defines the patio space. 4. String lights, create a magical ambience after dark. 5. Moroccan lanterns, cast a warm and inviting glow. 6. Hanging swing chair, the ultimate spot for relaxation. 7. Macrame wall hangings, a touch of bohemian artistry. 8. Vintage planters, unique planters add a touch of personality. 9. Wind chimes, add a touch of sound and serenity. 10. Colorful artwork, reflect your personality and artistic taste. By incorporating these tips and unleashing your creativity, you can transform your patio into a boho haven that reflects your unique style. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules in boho decor. Focus on creating a space that feels comfortable, inviting, and a true reflection of your personality. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiring patio design ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest trends in home decor. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of unique boho patio decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.